Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, welcome to our Etab channel Design Expert. In this video lecture you will study about the design of simple stair designing for multi-story building. So now let's start. We will select this area for staircase. The area is 6 meter by 5 meter. So now we should select a 1 story 5.7 meter. It is ground floor. So we select all the beams in the concern area, go to edit and modify and show reference. So this 1.5 is from footing to up to tie beam, and 1.5 is the height of the landing from the ground level. So 1.5 has been selected. So now reference point will be 1.5 from the landing to ground level. So now let's go to the reference point, which is 1 point above. This is our reference point which is created. So now us draw the beam there. Selected the beam is B2 already in property. Select the beam is selecting. Now assign the slab to this area. Select the slab S1, which is 1.20 meter or 1 meter from this side and 1 meter from another side. This is our reference point level, so we will select this one only. Now go to first floor. It means first floor 5.7 height. Now select here one landing slab. Landing slab has been assigned. Now add beam. Beam has been added. So now select these two beams. Go to edit, divide the frame into two objects. So the joint has been created and the beam divided into two parts. Now you can see here in 3D model that two landing has been created. See clearly. Now we have to select the slab. Slab is property is S200. So select the first point, go to second point, come back to third point and join it with the 0 point. So now delete this one to see clearly that the two landing and one slab assigned here. Now select this one, select it with beams. Also select this one with beam and go to edit menu and go to edit, replicate story from story 1 to from story 2 to add story and okay. So now you see that the landing along with stair slab replicated to all the 8 stories. So now replicate the other landing to the stories from the first story to 8 stories. So now the landing also replicated. You have to select the landing to be if you want to replicate. So now assign here, select the first point go to the second point, third point and 4 and come back to 0 point. Now slab is created per stair only per one story because we have already selected one story. So now click on this, go to edit, replicate and go to story, select story from 2 to add, from 3 to add story and OK. So now you see that the stair step has replicated to all the stories. Now we no need for this beams, so select this beam. First of all select this beam, select this beam, both the sides, go to edit menu, select similar stories and also same this beam of the landing, go to edit and edit frame, divided the frame and join the frame. Joint the frame has been joined, the joint has been cancelled. So now select these beams, go to delete, the beam has also deleted. Now select this one and go to edit and delete it, so all the beams has deleted. Rotate them. Now select the slab, select the similar stories, select the slab, landing slab, select the stair slab and go to view and show the selected object. Click on show the selected object. So now only you will see the staircase. So show all the objects by the same way. So go to view and show all the objects, so you will see all the objects as shown here. This was the very easy way for the beginners to draw the stair. My dear friends, if the video is helpful for you and informative, please subscribe to our channel to watch more video related to structure design by Etab. Beside it, I am trying to provide you the valid information and accurate designing training on Etab, and also the experience based field observations regarding steel calculations and steel detailing. So stay with us. Our next video will be regarding the fail project, the fail members. If the ETA fail the structure design members, some members like column, beam, so how we will edit or modify it, and after modifying it became pass to change the dimensions of column and beams which is failed by the ETAP. So please subscribe this channel and watch the another video. The previous videos links also given in the description. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.